Evolution of AI. The evolution of artificial intelligence, AI, has undergone significant advancements since its origin. Let us read about the key stages in the development of AI. Early ideas. Long ago, people have always been fascinated by the idea of creating machines that can think and act like humans. Ancient stories and myths often included tales of artificial beings. For instance, Mo Tzu, a Chinese philosopher, wrote about creating artificial birds that could fly. While these were not intelligent beings, they represented early ideas of mimicking natural behavior. Turing's test, 1950. Alan Turing, a British mathematician and computer scientist, proposed the Turing test in his 1950 paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence. The test is a way to assess whether a machine can demonstrate human-like intelligence in conversation. In this test, a tester was challenged to differentiate between the text-only responses of a machine and a human being. Although no machine could pass the Turing test at that time, the test offered a benchmark for identifying intelligence in a machine. Alan Turing. Turing's test. Dartmouth Conference, 1956. The term artificial intelligence was coined at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, marking the official birth of AI as a field of study. The conference was organized by John McCarthy, a mathematics professor from Dartmouth College, and others. The primary goal of the Dartmouth Conference was to explore the possibilities of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. Dartmouth Conference. First Summer of AI, 1956 to 1973. Following the Dartmouth Conference, significant discoveries in artificial intelligence began to occur. As a result, the years 1956 to 1973 are commonly referred to as the first summer of AI. The Logic Theorist, 1956. Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon developed the Logic Theorist, one of the first AI programs. It could prove mathematical theorems and demonstrated symbolic reasoning. General Problem Solver, 1957. Newell and Simon introduced the General Problem Solver, GPS, a program capable of solving a wide range of problems. It laid the foundation for problem solving in AI. Lisp, 1958. John McCarthy developed a high-level programming language, Lisp, while working at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. It is a popular programming language for AI research. John McCarthy. Unimate, 1961. Unimate, the first industrial robot, was deployed on an assembly line of General Motors. The robot was initially used for tasks such as loading and unloading heavy objects in a General Motors plant. It paved the way for the widespread use of robots in manufacturing and industrial processes. Unimate. ELIZA, 1966. Joseph Weizenbaum, a German computer scientist at the MIT, created a natural language processing program, ELIZA. The program was designed to imitate a therapist who would ask its users open-ended questions and respond with follow-ups. ELIZA is now regarded as the first chatbot in the history of artificial intelligence. ELIZA, the first chatbot in the history of AI. Mycin, 1970s. Mycin was an early expert system, a program that could mimic human expertise in specific domain, specifically in the domain of medical diagnosis. It was developed in the early 1970s by Edward Shortleff, an American computer scientist and physician. The primary application of Mycin was in the diagnosis and treatment of bacterial infections. It focused on providing recommendations for antibiotic therapy based on patient symptoms and laboratory test results. IBM's Deep Blue, 1997. IBM's Deep Blue was a chess-playing supercomputer that defeated the world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, in a 6-game match in 1997. It was a significant milestone in the field of AI. While a human being can calculate about 50 possible moves ahead, Deep Blue evaluated 200 million possible moves. Humanoid robots. The development of humanoid robots has seen significant advancements over the years, with numerous inventions contributing to the field. Wabot 1 and Wabot-2, 1970s. Wabot 1, short for Waseda Robot Number 1, was one of the earliest humanoid robots developed in the early 1970s in Japan by roboticist Ichiro Kato and his team. It had a head, torso, arms, and legs. The robot had the ability to move autonomously and could understand and respond to spoken commands. It had arms equipped with grippers, allowing it to manipulate objects. It could converse with a person in Japanese. Wabot-1. Wabot 2 was the successor to Wabot 1. It was equipped with arms and hands capable of more sophisticated manipulation tasks, such as grasping and handling objects. It was capable of playing a piano. Wabot-2. Ozimo, 2000s. Ozimo is a special robot made by Honda, just like the cars they create. It can walk around just like us, and its legs are super cool because they can bend and move just like ours do. Ozimo has a friendly face and can talk to people. It understands what we say and can even talk back. One of Ozimo's jobs is to help people. It can carry things, like a tray of drinks, and bring them to us. Ozimo. Sophia, 2016. Sophia is a very special robot created by Hanson Robotics. She can understand what we say and respond just like we do. With AI, Sophia can understand things, remember, and even make decisions, all by herself. She has a face that can show different feelings, like happiness, surprise, or curiosity. Sophia has met lots of people all around the world. She can chat with them, take pictures, and even make friends. Sophia. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. In 2017, Saudi Arabia granted citizenship to Sophia, making her the first robot in the world to receive such recognition. Hubo 2, 2020s. Hubo 2 was developed by the Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KEST. It is a humanoid robot with advanced capabilities, including walking, running, and performing complex tasks. It represents ongoing research in humanoid robotics. Hubo